Hello and welcome to Motor Match Stockport. My name's Daniel and I'm pleased to present you with this fantastic Seat Leon 1.4 TSI XCELLENCE Technology. Now this vehicle has currently done 36,553 miles and it's finished in the colour Monsoon Grey. Now if you'd like more information, please give us a call on 0161 885 0358. Now let's take a look around the vehicle here. Starting at the front, you do have your full LED headlights. These light up the road extremely well, giving you great visibility at night, and they look extremely stylish as well with the daytime running lights. Here around at the side, you do have your 17-inch alloy wheels. You also have your indicator integrated into the door mirror there, as well as the rear privacy glass, giving you very nice privacy to the rear that adds to the nice sleek design of the vehicle. Take a look inside, you'll find a lovely cloth interior with a nice pattern effect in the centre. You do have ISOFIX points on the outer seat, so you can easily fit a child seat into the vehicle and be sure it's safely secured in for peace of mind. And overall, you do have a very nice amount of space here for rear passengers to travel comfortably, and even the added bonus of rear air conditioning vents, so your rear passengers can benefit from the air conditioning. Heading to the rear of the vehicle now, you have your dual exhaust there, your Leon badging across the tailgate, and now let's go ahead and open up the boot. You can see you do have plenty of space that goes nice and deep in the vehicle. You also have some mats there. You have the option of 2 mats to choose from. The vehicle does come with rubberized ones, which are good for cleaning, and you have your ones there as well. You do have tethering points, so you can tie any loads down if you need to, if you don't want things to move around freely in the vehicle. And up top, you will find a handle allowing you to easily close the tailgate. Moving around, and let's take a look inside here up front. Now the vehicle does come equipped with keyless entry and go, providing easy access into the vehicle as long as you have the key fob in your pocket or bag. You've got your leather multifunction steering wheel there, and here you have your front seats finished in a partial leather. You do have plenty of adjustment in the driver's seat, so you can easily find the perfect driving position and be sure you're comfortable in this vehicle. There's even an armrest there in the centre console, so you can travel comfortably and store things away in there. And now that we've had a look around, I'm now going to take you inside and show you some of the key features that this Seat Leon has to offer. So hopping in and starting on the driver's door, you will find your electric mirror adjustments that include heating and folding. Now with the folding, you can quickly fold the mirrors in and keep them nice and protected. Super handy, for example, when parking on narrow roads, as you can prevent the mirrors from being knocked off by other road users. It's extremely easy to make adjustments to the mirrors overall though. Behind here you have your full electric windows with a button there for locking the rear windows if you don't want rear passengers to put them down. The vehicle is equipped with automatic headlights, so when set to auto you don't have to worry about turning them on. They will turn on when necessary, allowing you to keep focused on the road and not lose concentration. Moving on, and to the right of the steering wheel here, you do have your wiper controls. On the right of the steering wheel, you do have the controls for your digital display here in between the dials and the instrument cluster. You can display a whole variety of different information on here, such as your driving data with things like your digital speedometer, average speed, your miles per gallon. You can access additional menus, including your assist systems here. You do have your front assist, which can detect potential hazards ahead and emergency brake if necessary to prevent or reduce impact. You can even access your navigation, audio, phone, and any vehicle messages as well. To the left here, you have your volume controls for the infotainment system. You can also make adjustments to the track or station. To the left here, you have your indicator stalk, and at the end of it, you'll find the controls for your cruise control. It's ideal for those longer journeys, as it means you don't have to keep your foot hard on the accelerator the whole time, and it does allow you to arrive to your destination with a bit more comfort and less strain in your foot. Super ideal if you're always on the motorway. Makes driving much more easier. Here in the centre now, you do have your touchscreen infotainment system. On this, you can access your radio with DAB, FM and AM radio. Now with your DAB, you do have nice clear audio quality as it's digital, so if you love listening to the radio, you can enjoy it nice and clearly. It's very easy to find and tune your favourite stations into the vehicle as well, with a list of all different stations available to you that you can scroll through and then go on to save as presets. Moving on, you do have your media connectivity. You can connect your own source of audio with the vehicle with USB auxiliary inputs. There's even SD, CD and Bluetooth. Of course, for the Bluetooth as well, you have your telephone menu here where you can safely make hands-free phone calls while on the go, so you can keep up to date with whoever you need to. Also ensures you don't miss any important phone calls here. Super easy to pair your device up with the vehicle as well. Simply follow the on-screen instructions here. You can find a list of all of your paired devices, and if you have none, you can search for them very easily. Moving on, you do have some vehicle information here you can access. You can access things like your driving data with things like your miles per gallon, your convenience consumers. You also have your Eco Trainer, which helps you on driving more fuel efficiently. You also have your vehicle status with your vehicle messages in there as well. Now the vehicle does come equipped with navigation, so you can be sure you're never lost and can take this vehicle to all new destinations with ease. It's very clear, easy to follow guidance with a very nice large vibrant coloured display. You can even change the view from 2D to 3D, which is a very nice touch to have depending on how you wish to view the navigation. Super easy to use. You can use the pinch to zoom method to zoom in and out and look for new places. You also have your place of interest with things like petrol stations. You can also receive traffic reports here in the vehicle, so you can be aware of any delays on the roads ahead. You do have your full link with Android Auto, Apple CarPlay and MirrorLink, which brings a similar interface to your phones onto the system when you connect with USB. Also allows you to safely make hands-free phone calls and text using voice command. You can even use compatible apps as well, such as your own music streaming servicing, your navigation, and even things like WhatsApp and Teams. All very nice and straightforward to use with the menu there. The vehicle does also come equipped with the Park Pilot with front and rear parking sensors, giving you added confidence when parking, as it does make you more aware of your surroundings of the vehicle or things you may not be able to see. Gives you guidance on how close you are to objects, both visually on the system there and audible. Makes parking so much more easier. Below here now you do have your dual zone climate control that does allow the driver and passenger to make their own preferred temperature choices for their side of the vehicle. Prevents any arguments on being too hot or too cold. You can pick your temperature and not have to worry about anyone else's or constantly make adjustments to ensure everyone's comfortable. You can also sync it up to have the same temperature all throughout. You can also access the menu there and see information displayed on the infotainment screen. You even have buttons for defrost on the front and rear windscreen as well. Below here you do have a wireless charger. You can throw your phone on there if it's compatible and it will automatically start charging. You also have your 2 USB ports and auxiliary input in there. Thanks for watching this video on the Seat Leon 1.4 TSI XCELLENCE Technology. This vehicle is part of the Motor Match promise that includes a minimum 30-day or 1,000-mile warranty, whichever is sooner. You do have RAC extended warranty of up to 3 years available, along with flexible finance packages available as well. All Motor Match vehicles are subject to a £150 admin fee, which covers the provenance check. For a personalised finance quote or to book a test drive, give us a call on 0161 885 0358.